M-A-R-A-J U-N-A-A.
M-A-R-I-J-U A-J-U-A-N-A.
Not a follower, not a leader. And exceed as sharp as a cleaver. Some are sinners, some are praisers. Me, Turbo B, heavenly hell raised. Truth from the kid makes some folks stagger. Straight to the heart like a 12-inch dagger. Motley, way of the world, gaze upon the black pearl.
Does this suck or what? Is this stupid?
No.
Pretty awesome. Most of the people up here at the pool. Well, I'm looking for a place to drink. This actually looks pretty good. I'm gonna sit here. Oh, he's not. Put it right in the lines. Well, I haven't heard this song in a long time.
I don't know that I know it.
They used to play this one on The Current.
Alright, now I recognize it.
Oh, this is Santigold.
Same thing. You want to hand over? Yeah. Got it?
Thank you. Thank you very much.
All right. Take it back up.
You're going to be the last two tanks there.
Okay.
And then, do you want me to put that on the table? This camera table there?
Sure.
Okay.
What?
Yeah. I'll let you know.
Oh. Boy, so a lot of you don't need a lot of anything. You need okay?
All right. For now.
Hi, Sarah. Bye-bye. Daddy's gonna go play with the fishies.
Get the money like curls, they just trying to get a nut like squirrels in his mad world. Land of milk and honey with the swirls, where reckless naked girls get necklaces of pearls. Compliments of the town jeweler, left back now schooler, trying to sound cooler. On the microphone known as the crown ruler. Never lied to Ma when we said we found the moolah. $500-something laying right there in the street. Now let's try and get something to eat. Then he turned 4 and started flowing to the poor. That's about when he first started going raw.
37 minutes later.
Exactly. So when is it?
Oh, thank you. Yeah. All right. Go ahead, sit down. Lean back. Whoop. There you go.
How was it?
Ah, good.
Coolest fish you saw?
Saw that fish. Hi, Farrah.